morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelly. If you are new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button down below and don't forget to hit those notification bells so you're notified every single time I upload. Today's video is going to be a what I eat in a day. So I'm currently making my coffee. I am using the Coffee Mate Vanilla Caramel Flavored Creamer. This is super sweet, but I bought it, so I'm gonna use it. But it's very, very sweet. So I use this, and then I actually kind of mix this one in with the Trader Joe's French Vanilla Creamer. I find that the two of these mixed together is a little bit less sweet. But yeah, today's gonna be a what I eat in a day. If you are new here, I have celiac disease. My name is Kelly. My sister actually bought me this shirt. It says, "Go against the grain. Celiac life." So if I can find this shirt, I'll link it down below for you guys. I'll ask her where she got it. But yes, so I eat gluten-free on this channel. So this is going to be a gluten-free what I eat in a day. So I'm starting out with my coffee. I use the Dunkin' coffee we just picked it up from the grocery store. I think we got it from Target last week. So I'm gonna sip on this. I have also been sipping on my water. It is currently 9:30 in the morning. I'm dressed, I'm ready to go. I got errands to run today. It's Sunday, so I got things to do. But this is my water bottle I shared with you guys in my last video. My last video was a day of my life, very fitness motivated. Or fitness forward. So this has been a game changer. I love this water bottle. Again, I will link it down below for you guys. It's amazing. It tells you the time frame that you should be at. So I'm at 9:30, so I'm at halfway mark between 9 and 10. So definitely get your water in. I've been doing a really bad job of it this past 2 days, so I'm gonna try today really hard. And I think I'm going to make some pancakes for breakfast. So I will show you guys those. All right, so the pancake mix I have been using for the last 2 weeks are the Kodiak cakes. They are gluten-free flapjack and waffle mix, the Frontier Oat. They have 13 grams of protein, so this is what I'm gonna make today. So I just got back from the grocery store. I went to Sprouts and I wanted to show you guys a few things that I picked up that were new. Not anything like super crazy I'm gonna show you guys, but just a few things. So I picked up these Good Pops. So I saw this on YouTube. Somebody talked about it. This is the orange and cream flavor, and I also got cookies and cream. They're gluten-free, dairy-free, 100 calories for this one. 90 calories for this one. It's supposed to be good, so we'll see. I picked up those. I also picked up the gluten-free Vans Apple Cinnamon Waffles for the week. What other new things did I get? Oh, I picked up these for daily probiotics. This is Immunity and Digestive Health. It's like a little, I'm guessing yogurt. Yeah, low-fat yogurt, but they're probiotics. So by Stonyfield, and the strawberry acai flavor, it comes with 6. So figured why not try some to get some probiotics in. And then I picked up just a few other things like sweet bell peppers, red pepper hummus, some veggies. Is there anything different that I picked up over here? Nope, that's about it of the new stuff. So I'm gonna make my lunch and I'll show you guys what I am gonna have. So for lunch, I made these tuna bites. I used a can of tuna, the Ginger People Sweet Ginger Chili Sauce, and then a garlic powder, onion powder, and then just put them on top of a cucumber. So I'm gonna eat these and then check in with you guys. Okay, so I just finished a workout. I'm going to make a protein shake now. So what I'm gonna do is something very easy. Kind of been my go-to one. So I'm adding my last half of a frozen banana. I'm gonna take a bunch of spinach. I haven't had any vegetables today really. So I'm gonna take a bunch of this and pop it in to this container as well. I got this whole thing from Target. So I'm gonna just stick a bunch in. I've been listening to a podcast, the Skinny Confidential podcast, and apparently if you want like good muscle recovery, you need magnesium, which I take magnesium at night anyways, but apparently it's good to have more in your diet. So spinach, I guess, is a good form of magnesium, they said, so I add a bunch into my smoothies now. And then I'm gonna go with chocolate today. The protein powder I use, I say it in almost every single video that I am making a protein shake, is the Toned Up Protein. I find mine at Target. I'll have it linked down below for you guys as well. So this is the chocolate flavor. It has 15 grams of protein in it. I'm also going to take their Marine Collagen, and pop a scoop in that as well for joint health and skin and hair and nails and all that good stuff. And then I also heard on that podcast that using cacao powder is really good. So, source of magnesium. So I'm going to do a little bit of that, and it makes it like extra chocolatey, which is really nice. So I'm going to add a little bit in. And that's going to be my shake today. Quick and easy. Nothing too crazy in it. So we have the half of a banana, spinach, water, almond milk, the protein powder, collagen, and cacao powder. So I'm gonna blend this up. So it turns into this like weird green brownish color, but it tastes really good. So I'm gonna drink this. I'm gonna drink this, hop in the shower, and then we're gonna go to a event type thing, like a party tonight. So I'm gonna make something quick before we go, because there's not gonna be gluten-free food there. And I have to eat gluten-free food. All right, so we just got back from the birthday party that we were going to, and I did not eat beforehand, but I'm gonna eat now. I'm going to preheat the oven to about 350 degrees, and I'm just gonna put some pizza from last night in the oven. We had gluten-free pizza with pepperoni and ricotta on it, and that is gonna be my dinner. And then we're just gonna lay on the couch and watch the Olympics. So that's gonna be the end of today's video. If you guys liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave, and hit those notification bells so you're notified every single time I upload. It would be greatly appreciated. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.